Hi, welcome to our YouTube channel, and in this video I will walk you through how to use Zendesk for customer service in 2025. It is perfect for beginners who want to learn how to respond to ticket, automate replies, and improve support using Zendesk. I will guide you step by step, so stay tuned till the end. So let's talk about what actually is Zendesk. So basically, Zendesk is a popular customer support platform used by business of all sizes, and it allows teams to handle email support, live chat, social media messages, and even knowledge bases. So everything is managed from a single dashboard, making support fast and organized. So now let's talk about how you can create your Zendesk account. So first of all, you just need to visit on zendesk.com, and then you will find out that try for free options. It is a trial version. So you just need to provide your email address in here. You can see also the demo in here before you start your working. So here you can see you can customize your Zendesk demo for your users. You just need to select customer, then click next, and you just need to provide your email address. So there are a couple of options we have in here. So if you want to start an account, you just need to go over here, sign in. If you have an account, you can go through these options. If you are new, you just need to click this one. Once you come over here, then you just need to register your account. So I'm going to copy my account or email address from that place, and then I'll provide it in here. Use your work email to smoothly connect customer emails, existing ads, or invite team members. You just need to click over here, and then what is your first name? You just need to provide this. Let's say I'm going to provide my first name in here, then click next, and then the last name is this, and then click next. And thanks ma'am, what's your phone number? So they are asking for phone number here. You just need to provide a phone number of yours. So I'm going to provide a phone number in that place, and then click next. Once you did, then they will ask for company do you work for. So I am going to write how to digital, and then click next. And what is your job? So I am a CEO, or I can say I'm a content creator, and then click next. And here how many employees are there at, I can say it is a 1 to 9, and then click next. And from that place everything good, and here you just need to provide your password. So here I think use a strong one, so I'm going to copy whole things. I will change the password later. So right now I just want to start the trial for the sign up. That much easy it is, as you actually see. So now please verify your email. Once verified, open Gmail. I want to verify it through my Gmail, so it will take a couple of minutes. So check your spam folder or did not receive an email. So let's check our spam. So where actually is the spam in here, and let's say does we get any mail yet? Not yet. So yeah, we already get this one. So I just need to click over here. As you can see how easy the process was to create a Zendesk account and acquire the free trial for a newbie. So here I hope you understand. Now you can do it for yourself. So next, explore the Zendesk dashboard for you guys. So right now here they're asking for these things, so you can give it or you can leave it. Totals up to you. So I'm going to provide all of this. So this is my URL. Let's say I am going to provide it in here. You can provide support number, then click next. Then here let's do it. I don't want an auto response, and here you can provide your email address, or you can skip this one. Solve a test ticket. That's great. Everything coming together. So you can see your account creation is done. Now let's explore the dashboard so you can understand the thing how it works. On the left panel you will find views. Here you can see these are the thing. So it is the views one. It is a list of ticket by status like open, pending, and solved. Next one is customers. So here you will find out user profiles and contact history in here. Then last one is the ticket. So here you can see this one is the ticket. So let's find it out. Where is the ticket one? So you will find out the ticket option in here actually. So the main support inbox here. So this is the thing. So top navigation include, like here you can see this is the top navigation. Here you will able to see search bar, then notification bell, then user profile icon. You just need to click on a ticket to open and respond from the center panel. You can use tab to switch between tickets. Now let's talk about how you can reply a ticket. So you just need to click on new or open ticket options. As I'm going to click on home, and here you actually see the ticket. So I'm going to click any of them, and here you just need to be read the customer message. Like here the customer text us this message, so you just need to be read it properly. Then below write your response in the reply editor. Here you can see this is the editor option. So here you just need to be write your reply. You can also use macros, pre-rating templates, add internal notes for your team. You can add a file, screenshot, or now you just need to click submit and choose ticket status. It would be open, it could be pending, or it could be solved. You should resolve issues. So now let's talk about using macros to save time. Macros can't replies for common questions that automation I can say. So you just need to go to the admin. Here you will see that one setting here. Once you come over here, then you will find out this macros to view or create one. So once you did, like here you can see this is the AI. You can create the AI agent, people, account, and many more things. So from that place you just need to click on AI agent and then set it up perfectly. For example, you can say the name will be shipping delay, action will be at public reply, message thank you for reaching out, your order is delayed due to that issue. You can tell them this kind of a thing. Then you can use macros while replying to reduce typing and improve consistency. Now let's talk about the automated with triggers. Triggers have automated workflows. For example, you can auto send when receive your ticket email, reassign ticket if not replied within 2 hours. You just need to go to the admin, then find it out triggers to create one. So here you can see this is the object and rule. You just need to go over here. From that place you will find out this trigger option. You just need to get it enter here, and you just need to be set the conditions and actions using drop downs. You just need to be help your team respond faster without manual work, and then you can add support channels. I hope you love this video. If you think this video was helpful, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video.